I want you to raise the hand you write with. Raise your hand. It's the hand you write with. That's your dominant hand. You're going to use that hand first. You're using your dominant hand to start with. When I say ready, set, go, what you are going to do is you are going to write the letters okay, okay, okay in the first row.
One letter per box?
Yes, one letter per box. Thank you for clarifying. So an O in one box, a K in the next box. An O in one. When I say go, you are going to do that. And this is very fast. So, I mean, it doesn't matter how many you have. Statistics is statistics. Okay. On your mark, get set, go. Stop. Okay. You're going to go down a line, and you're going to do it again in the next row, in the second row. On your mark, get set, go. Stop. You're going to go down to the third line, and we're going to do this again on the third line. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Stop. Okay, here we go. Next line. On your mark, get set, go. Stop. On the next line down. One more. On your mark, get set, go. Stop. So you're going to be gathering data from that. That is your dominant hand. You can see in the chart below. It says at 0 seconds, at 5 seconds, at 2 seconds, at 7, 1, and 3.5. That's what I went by. Obviously, I didn't do 0 seconds, right? Now we're going to use our non-dominant hand, the hand you don't write with.
Oh, no.
The hand you do not write with.
I don't know what you're watching. I'm like touching you and I'm like, what the heck?
Okay. What's that? It doesn't matter. Well, you want to make sure it's okay, right? Okay, here we go. Non-dominant hand. On your mark, get set, go. Stop. Okay, go down the line.
Mine look like cars.
Here we go for the next one. On your mark, get set, go. Stop. And on the next line, here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Stop. That's one. I'm down on the non-dominant hand. Here we go. On the next one. On your mark, get set, go. Stop. One more. On your mark, get set, go. Stop. Okay. All right. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the directions for the scatter plot. The directions for the scatter plot is separate from the test. You'll be stapling the other two papers together and throwing this one away when you're done. All right. So for the scatter plot, it says that you're going to graph the ordered pairs in the table. So you saw the table that we had when we were doing it. Here is your table right here. Dominant hand, non-dominant hand. It says that you need to use color for the dominant hand. When you're graphing, use pencil at first, and then you need to go over it in color. So you're going to use a highlighter or a pen or something that's different than a pencil for your dominant hand, and you're going to use the pencil for the non-dominant hand. So when you graph them on the same graph, you're going to be able to tell the difference between the two of them. One of them has color, my dominant hand. One's in pencil, my non-dominant hand. All right. It says that you are going to, so I guess you're actually going to staple this to the test as well, because it says write an equation of the best fit for your dominant hand. So you need to write a best fit line equation for your dominant hand. You need to graph the best fit line using that color. And then you need to predict how many letters you could do in 10 seconds for your dominant hand. These are all in our notes because this is how we did scatter plots. And then we have write an equation of the best fit line for your non-dominant hand, graph your best fit using a pencil, and then predict how many letters you could do with your non-dominant hand in 12 seconds.
So we can use our calculator.
Absolutely. You're allowed to use your calculators.